Simple!
Simple! Simple!
Simple!
Simple!
In cooking, adjust lang kayo kung anong meron, di ba? But remember, no amount of passion will replace common sense in cooking. May snack talaga, snack. Oh, yan oh. Snack ka din oh. Alam niyo naman, I love it to be peppery, di ba? Try this wonderful recipe and I'm ready to taste. Alam mo, kahit you cook with the simplest ingredients and you treat it well, magiging masarap yung pagkain niyo. Hindi ko naman kayang ubusin to. So I will share with you guys. Of course, simple tayo dito. So I'm sure you will enjoy it. Mango, mango. Big enough scoop. So easy to do, so simple, and of course, so masarap. Pag may date ka, mai-impressed. The dog. What's your problem? Ha?